When it comes to tackling stubborn dirt and grime around your home or job site, soggy brushes and hours of elbow grease just don't cut it anymore. In 2026, electric pressure washers have evolved into high-power machines that blast away filth with precision, speed, and efficiency, without the noise, fumes, or hassle. Today, we're diving into the best electric pressure washers of 2026, breaking down their power, features, and value so you can find the one that makes every driveway, deck, car, and patio sparkle with minimal effort. Let's get started. Ego Power Plus HPW 32042 redefines cordless cleaning, delivering serious pressure washer power without ever plugging in. Thanks to peak power technology, it combines two 56-volt ARC lithium batteries to generate up to 3,200 PSY at 1.2 GPM, with flow surging to 2.0 gallons per minute when conditions allow, giving full-size cleaning performance in a portable, battery-powered package. With the included two 56-volt 6-ampere-hour batteries, it runs up to 60 minutes continuously, easily handling full cleaning sessions instead of just quick touch-ups. Setup is effortless with quick connect hose and wand fittings, while the telescoping handle makes transport simple and storage compact. The accessory lineup is built for every task: a 25-foot high-pressure hose, siphon hose for buckets or tanks, short quick-connect spray gun, wand lance, one stainless steel wand, foam cannon, and integrated filter. A full nozzle set, 15, 25, 40-degree, turbo, and rinse tips lets you go from aggressive scrubbing to gentle rinsing with precision. At $880, the Ego Power Plus HPW 32042 gives homeowners premium cordless performance, maximum portability, and a complete flexible cleaning system built to tackle demanding jobs with ease. Westinghouse EPX 3100. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 is a residential electric pressure washer built around mobility, balance, and real-world cleaning power, all packed into an ultra-lightweight 19-pound frame that is easy to move, store, and control. Power comes from a 13-ampere universal motor paired with a maintenance-free axial cam pump, delivering up to 2,300 max PSY and 1.76 max gallons per minute at lower pressure, with a rated output of 1,900 PSY and 1.24 gallons per minute for consistent everyday use. What truly sets the EPX 3100 apart is its anti-tipping four-wheel design. Standing just 16.5 inches tall with a low center of gravity, it rides on four quick-lock, 360-degree steering wheels that allow it to glide smoothly across concrete, grass, and uneven surfaces while staying stable. The setup stays just as practical. You get a pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand with quick connect fittings, 5 spray tips including 0-degree, 15-degree, 25-degree, turbo, and soap applicator options, plus an onboard detergent tank for easy soap application. A flexible 25-foot easy coil high-pressure hose adds reach without fighting kinks, and the entire unit stores in a super compact footprint that slides easily in and out of storage. Starting at just $130, the Westinghouse EPX 3100 packs serious cleaning power into a compact, easy-to-maneuver pressure washer that combines strength, balance, and performance, making tough jobs effortless. Greenworks GPW 3001 FCA delivers gas-level cleaning power without the noise, fumes, or hassle of a gas engine. This 14-ampere true brushless powerhouse cranks up to 3,000 PSI and 2.0 GPM, producing 3,300 cleaning units that cut effortlessly through dirt, algae, and stubborn grime on siding, fences, patios, and large exterior surfaces. Built to last, the cast aluminum axial cam pump handles sustained use without faltering, while JetFlow technology boosts water flow by up to 50%, letting you rinse higher, cover wider surfaces, and finish big jobs faster. Every rating is verified too. This PWMA certified unit guarantees its PSI and GPM match real-world performance. So what you see is what you get. The package comes ready for action. A rugged metal spray gun, a 25-foot Uberflex kink-resistant hose, and a full set of accessories including 15, 25, and 40-degree tips, soap and turbo nozzles, all designed to tackle any cleaning challenge efficiently and safely. Priced at $500, the Greenworks GPW 3001FCA sits at the top of the premium electric category, giving homeowners professional-grade results without ever touching gas. It's smooth, maneuverable, and built to make every cleaning job faster, easier, and more satisfying. That's practical and easy to manage. Powered by a 14.9 amp motor, it produces up to 2,500 PSY maximum output, with a certified rated pressure of 2,200 PSY and 1.1 GPM flow, while maximum flow reaches 1.65 GPM. Detergent application is simple thanks to a 33.8-ounce onboard foam cannon, capable of projecting aerated soap up to 15 feet, while the 1.65-gallon total detergent capacity lets you clean longer without constant refills. Spray control is precise with 4 quick connect nozzles, 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees, allowing everything from concentrated blasting to gentle rinsing. Durability and versatility are front and center. The washer comes with a 34-inch spray wand, stainless steel lance, solid brass fittings, and a 20-foot steel-reinforced high-pressure hose. While powerful for a residential unit, it may struggle with very large driveways or industrial-grade grime compared to commercial models. Even with these minor drawbacks, it comes at a very reasonable $200, making the SPX 3000XT1 Extreme a cost-effective solution for homeowners who need serious cleaning power without overspending. Craftsman CMEPW 2100 is a residential cold water electric pressure washer designed for medium-duty cleaning, targeting jobs like vehicles, driveways, decks, and outdoor surfaces where reliable power and easy mobility matter more than bulk. Cleaning performance comes from a solid electric system that delivers up to 2,100 max PSY at 1.2 gallons per minute, giving it the pressure needed to cut through dirt, road grime, and buildup without stepping into gas-powered territory. Mobility is where this unit really shines. The compact hand truck-style frame pairs with large 10-inch wheels, making it easy to maneuver around vehicles, corners, and obstacles without dragging or tipping. A 25-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose provides durability and flexibility during use, while the 35-foot power cord with built-in GFCI protection extends your reach and keeps operations safe around moisture. Soap application is straightforward and efficient thanks to the removable onboard detergent tank. When the soap nozzle is attached, the system automatically mixes detergent into the spray, saving time and eliminating extra steps. Priced at $240, the Craftsman CMEPW 2100 delivers reliable cleaning power, smooth mobility, and smart storage in a durable, no-nonsense electric pressure washer built for everyday outdoor jobs. Ryobi RY1419MT Corded Pressure Washer. The Ryobi 1419 is a compact, wheeled electric pressure washer that delivers quiet, hassle-free power for everyday outdoor cleaning, from patios and decks to vehicles and windows, all without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas units. Powered by a 13-amp electric motor and a maintenance-free axial cam pump, it delivers 1,900 PSI at 1.2 gallons per minute, making it ideal for patio furniture, decks, sidewalks, bikes, boats, docks, and recreational vehicles. Transport is simple thanks to the durable wheeled frame and telescoping handle, and built-in storage keeps the spray wand, nozzles, hose, and power cord organized. It includes 3 quick connect nozzles that attach via a 1/4 inch coupler, plus a turbo nozzle designed to clean up to 50% faster than a standard spray. Our soap application is easy with the removable onboard detergent tank, while the 25-foot non-marring high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord with built-in GFCI provide reach and safety for typical home use. There are some limitations to consider. At 1.2 gallons per minute, the flow rate is lower than premium electric models or gas-powered units, so it is not suited for heavy-duty jobs like deeply stained concrete or large commercial surfaces. Some users have also reported durability issues with the turbo nozzle, noting it as a common failure point over time. Priced at $137, the Ryobi 1419 remains an affordable, homeowner-friendly option for convenient light-duty cleaning, while highlighting trade-offs buyers should consider. And that's a wrap on the top electric pressure washers of 2026. Tools that prove cleaning doesn't have to be a chore anymore. Whether you want precision, power, or portability, these washers make every deck, driveway, car, and patio look brand new without the hassle of gas or hours of scrubbing. If you found this video helpful and want to upgrade your cleaning game, make sure to hit like, share this video, subscribe for more 2026 tech and home tool updates, and drop a comment telling us which pressure washer you're adding to your arsenal.